Tell me how you made empanadas.
Oh, you have to make the dough. That's the main thing, and the main what is going inside the dough. That's very important. You have to buy the nice meat, and you put all the ingredients that are supposed to go give you good taste, and
Like what? Like onions, garlic?
onion, garlic, parsley, pepper, salt, a little soy sauce that you to use, put in there, and you make the nice sauce. And the dough is a little difficult if you don't know how to do it properly. And it has to be the flour and the lard, the manteca.
Mm-hmm.
It has to be make the dough really easy to roll it, and salt and pepper, and that was it. You have to learn to make the right dough.
And then you would have hard-boiled eggs.
Yeah, hard-boiled egg and the ground beef.
Yeah.
And with onion and all the ingredients, whatever ingredient you like, and you make the dough a big block or whatever amount, and you cut it, you roll it, and you cut it in like a little ball, and you pass those little, and you make it thin, and you have the how you call it,
The meat mixture?
yeah, the meat, yeah, and it have a name and I forgot now. Yeah, you put 1 spoon and each one a little round pieces of the meat, and you put a piece of egg, that you cut the egg, the hard-boiled eggs, and some people they like it with raisin, and it depends what you like.
And you put olives?
Olive, yeah, and the egg, the hard-boiled egg,
Mm-hmm.
you put a piece in there, and that's it. And you roll it, you put it together, and you roll it really, put it like a,
Like pinch it?
yeah, and you push it nice in the corners, and you like that. And after you put it, some people that used to like it fry, and other people they put it in the oven.
And would you put egg on top? An egg wash? Or butter?
No, not really, because with the manteca that you put in the dough, you don't need to put. Some people they would like it, yeah, but it wasn't necessary.
Mm-hmm.
Only to give a little color, to whiten the dough. I don't know, but
And did you pinch it close with your
yeah,
fingers
all
or with the
around,
fork?
Yeah, you put it like the same, and you do it like this, and you pinch it all around so the dough doesn't come, the meat doesn't come out, and the juicy and everything. Yeah.
And what would you serve it with? Any sauce or chanchi or?
Usually it is plain.
Yeah.
Some people they like to put sugar in it too.
Mm.
It will taste really good.
Mm-hmm.
And if you wanted to put a nice salad with it, some people they like it with salad.
Mm-hmm.
But you cannot eat it just plain, because it was so good, it just, yeah.